Imagine building a $1 million portfolio right here in the UK. For most, it feels like an impossible dream amidst rising costs. But what if I told you there's a clear, achievable path? This is your step-by-step blueprint to UK financial freedom. The cost of living crisis is hitting hard across the country. Rent and mortgages consume massive chunks of our income. Electricity, gas, and broadband bills keep soaring higher, leaving little to nothing left to save at the end of the month. It makes the idea of $1 million seem completely out of reach. But don't give up. It's more attainable than you think. Step 1. Ruthlessly cut unnecessary spending. Identify where your money is truly going. Daily lattes add up. Track every single pound, even small subscriptions. Automate your savings. Pay yourself first always. Aim for a high savings rate, 20% or more if possible. This initial discipline builds the foundation for massive wealth. Step 2. Make your money work harder for you. Understand the magic of compound interest. It's powerful. Start early, even with small amounts. Time in market beats timing it. Diversify into broad market ETFs. Don't pick individual stocks. Crucially, use your UK ISA allowance every single year. Stay consistent, ignore short-term noise, and focus on the long game. Step 3. Accelerate your income to fuel your investments. Negotiate your salary. Many employers expect it. Develop in-demand skills. Online courses can open new doors. Explore side hustles, delivery driving, freelancing, tutoring. Even start a small online business. The possibilities are endless. Every extra pound you earn can be invested and compounded. This requires effort, but the rewards are truly life-changing. Small, consistent actions today build massive wealth over time. Meet Sarah, a nurse from Manchester who started small. Struggling, she implemented strict budgeting and savings. She consistently invested $200 a month into a global ETF ISA. Additionally, she took on extra shifts for 3 years. After 15 years, her portfolio reached an incredible 400,000 talents, on track for $1 million, proving it's achievable for anyone. Most people miss one critical aspect when planning wealth. They overestimate what they can achieve in just 1 year, but drastically underestimate their potential over a decade. Patience and consistency are your greatest secret weapons. Building $1 million isn't about luck or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about a strategic plan and disciplined, consistent action. Start today, even if it's just 10 thalers. The journey begins with one step. Your future self, wealthy and free, will absolutely thank you. The path to your first $1 million portfolio starts right here. For more practical UK finance guides and strategies, and to join our community of smart, ambitious investors, subscribe to Pound for Pound Finance now.